Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today we're here with Love Me once more. What? I got some goodies in this box. So let's start off with this. Of course, the wig is in this one. So let's go ahead and start off with this box here. All right. So let's talk about the quality. One thing, Love Me always has great quality in everything, not just the way, like, it's just quality right across the board, and that's what I love. When a brand like presents themselves like that, you know what time it is. You know that their products are about to be quality. So anyways, let's get into it. All right. Okay, we got some hair care stuff. Listen, this is something serious. So there's a card here, information card of the products. All right, and this is their latest launch of their first ever wig exclusive clean and care system. This is their wig renewal system. Wow, this is beautiful. That's a good idea because, you know, we always like, you know, the life of your wig or the lifespan of your wig depends on how well you care for it. So I think something like this is really great that they added it, and the presentation is top tier. So in this package, I got their wig renewal oil. I got their wig renewal hydrating mist, coconut instant moisture boost and seal leave-in all day conditioning. I feel good about this. This is their wig expert specialized formula, wig renewal conditioner, coconut lux nourish, no sulfates. All right, that's that. And then if we have a conditioner, it's only right we have a shampoo, right? So this is their wig renewal shampoo, coconut moisture and shine, no sulfates. All right, cool. I love this. And it has directions on the bottle and stuff. I can't wait to cleanse my wig with this. So that's that for that goodie. Okay, so of course, as I open it, I see the wig, which we're gonna get into. And then I also have the Love Me drawstring bag. All right, then I have a ton of other goodies still. So I got this like little sticker, it's like a label that you can use on your wigs, you know, if you get more than one wig and you need to label them, so that's great. I got a Love Me elastic headband. These, I got a like tag. I got a pair of wig caps. Those are HD, by the way. And then there's a thank you card. Well, it's an information card rather, and it says thank you on the back. But they pretty much just explain. This one has like return information, how you can return the wig if you need to return it. And then just overall hair care information and stuff. Oh, this is the wig straight out of the packaging. Okay, so this is Love Me Hair PARTINGMAX Glueless wig, and it's an ombre brown loose body wave 7x6 HD closure. All right, pre-plucked and pre-bleached, ready to go wig. And as I took this out of the package, I could definitely see that, yeah, this is a throw on and go kind of wig, and it's flawlessly constructed. The color, oh my gosh, perfect for fall. Perfect for fall in the winter time. Let's get into the lace on this. As I said, it's pre-bleached and it's pre-plucked. It looks very realistic. It's a medium cap size, by the way. There's an adjustable strap on the inside of the cap. There are also 3 combs on the inside, and this is a breathable cap, as you guys can see. All right, there is also a non-slip strip in the back of the cap, so, you know, to help with the security of it on your head. And it's a 7x6 parting closure, so you have quite a bit of space to work with for a closure wig. And this beautiful side part came in it already. This is a pre-everything, basically. You know, it's pre-curled. Everything looks great. I'm gonna be sure to put the specific length and density of this wig down below in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. But oh my gosh, this feels so good. It looks so good. This is gonna be great for all my beginners because it's basically already ready and go kind of wig. As I said, throw on and go kind of vibe. The only thing you need to do is cut off this bit of lace in the front and you'll be good to go. So usually with, you know, a glueless wig like this, you just want to make sure that the elastic portion is well adjusted. You can make it as tight or as loose as you want it to be, and you're good to go. Okay, and then you pretty much just go ahead and slip it on. So let's get to it. it's really nice and snugged. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a shake test. Because remember, this is a glueless wig, you know. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut away the excess lace in the front. So you want to just take your time to go ahead and cut away the excess lace. That's how it looks once I cut away the excess lace. Just the tiniest bit of cast, and we absolutely don't want to see a line or anything. So usually you just take a little bit of a face powder if you see that line or that cast, just to make sure that everything just looks more seamless. Tap anywhere with your face powder that you feel like need to be more seamless and undetectable. And the lace is really nice and thin. Be very gentle. All right. The lace, you see how it's giving scalp. Remember, after all, this is their PARTINGMAX wig. So let's go ahead and show you guys all the space that you have to work with. Look at that. It's giving scalp. Okay, yeah, I love that. So if you want to switch up your parting, style it differently, you could definitely go ahead and do so. That looks great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh these curls. I mean, they do look so good, but you know, just because, you know, the installing it and running my hands through it, but it's looking like a hit so far. Love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the top even flatter. I'm gonna get my hot comb and also some of my hair wax to get this nice and laid. Look at that. What? You know what I love? I do not need to go in and like reinforce the parting area. It already comes so nicely done. Apart from all the space obviously that you have to work with, the lace area gives that realistic scalp look, and I feel like that's so important. So you know, whenever you decide to go ahead and style it and like show off the lace, it doesn't look questionable, you know? Yeah. Oh, you see that? You see? Oh my gosh, I love the fullness of this. Like, as I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh the curl. And obviously, you know, with the areas that are like colored more, like definitely are a little bit more, like a little bit coarser, so you can make note of that. So you just care for those areas accordingly. Love the feel and how easy it is to work with, how easy it is to install. I know my beginners are gonna have a field day with this one. It is beautiful. Ain't nobody got time to be installing a wig all day. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the renewal oil. Yeah, really excited. Usually I don't apply products to my wigs, but I just want to feel it. Okay, I'm just gonna take the tiniest amount and just apply a dime size amount to the palm of my hand. Rub it up really nice, and I'm just gonna apply it to the top of the wig and just kind of, you know, yeah, just, you know, this reinforces the hair not having any frizz or anything. There we go. What? Definitely 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. This looks so good. It was really easy to reinforce the curls. The hair looks so realistic. Look at the lace. It's beautiful. Absolutely love it. I love that this oil is not too heavy. Bleached perfection. I think this PARTINGMAX Glueless wig is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. There is minimal shedding, so you can make note of that, but it is processed, so we expect a little shedding. It's fine as long as it's not excessive. But Luvme did their big one on this. It feels good, it looks good, it's convenient, it's beginner friendly. What? And it's a timeless vibe because you do not need any swoops, any baby hairs, anything like that. It's full pull back, super classy vibe. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. It's really nice and full. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in my comment section. Luvme, you did it. You did that. Love it. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box if you guys are interested in getting this for yourself, or you might want to get it as a gift for somebody. We're approaching the season for that, so it's perfect. All right, but yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. And check the description box for all the information and details on this wig, any deals going on, any of that, it will be listed down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.